guys, it's me, Gen-zel, and welcome to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching again and welcome back to our channel. But if you're new here, check out my other videos. I do music, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle vlogs. Ayan. And today, I'll be sharing with you a package that I received from Doterra. And this is from Doterra Wellness Advocate, si Miss Jill Patty. Tama ba yung pronounce ko? Ayun. So, pinadala niya ako ng kit ng Doterra. And ngayon ko pala siya i-unbox. Actually, na-receive ko ito yata parang around December. But sobrang na-busy and I just had time to do this now. So if you've been following me on Instagram at Gen-zel Delas and if you've been reading my blog and my other pages, you know how much I love essential oils. And yun, meron akong ginawa before collaboration with Jerby na using essential oils for making natural candles, which is really good. If you're into natural remedies and natural products, you can check that out. And yeah, let's move on with this. Yeah. You can check their website at Doterra. I mean, at growsuccess.today, www.growsuccess.today/learn more na magkadugtong. Lalagay ko na lang din sa screen. If you want to check more about Doterra, and if you want to get free consultation, free sample products, and if you want to be an Doterra advocate as well. So, for me, mas maganda na dumiretso kayo kay Miss Jill kasi mas ma-assist niya kayo kung may mga questions kayo about Doterra, about essential oils, everything, than to direct sa website. Kasi medyo, ako nung nag-start ako with my essential oils journey, medyo clueless ako with everything, but I'm so thankful with Jerby. Hi Jerby, if you're watching. Sobrang siya yung nag-guide din sa akin. So, ayun guys. So, ayan siya. And when you open this, tada! Ayan, merong paper bag. Ang cute! It's purple. Pag purple, naalala ko naman si Aisha. Hi, Aisha! Miss na kita. Ayan, tapos, okay, so meron dito mga leaflets. Ayan, merong about Doterra na top 10 essential oils nila. Ayan. Oops, masyado maliwanag. So, meron ditong peppermint, lavender, lemon, melaleuca, frankincense, oregano, deep blue, digestion, on guard, breathe, and yun pala. I've been using essential oils from different brands, but this is the first time that I'm gonna try Doterra. Kaya sobrang excited ako guys. If you want to follow my journey as well, i-review ko yung mga products nila. Ito, mga meron din sila mga parang first aid using essential oils. Ayan. And mga benefits ng properties. Gusto ko to. Nagbabasa ko talaga ng mga books, guys, about essential oils. A to Z Guide, 8th edition. Ayan, about Doterra din. About essential oils. Ay, ang ganda nito. Like, malalaman mo kung ano yung mga magandang gamiting essential oils. Then, next is, ayan. So, ito. So, siya dyan. First thing, kukunin ko na lang kung ano yung meron dito. So, una is, this is a Doterra Shield Outdoor Blend. Oh. Spray on dessert before outdoor activity or play every few hours as needed. Ayan. This one is, paglalabas ka ng bahay, basahin ko pa rin talaga siya, guys. So, yun nga, abangan nyo lang yung review ko, but this is how it looks like. Ayan. Siguro parang protection siya pag lalabas ka. Especially ngayon na sobrang kalat, for sure alam niyo na yung NCO virus and a lot of other diseases na nagkalat. Ito naman, skincare. Ayan, okay. Thank you for joining Doterra. Meron din silang skincare, guys. Hindi lang puro essential oils. So, ayan, if you want to try, meron, ang kanilang skincare line is Virage, I don't know paano i-pronounce. Pero pinadala nila ako ng toner nila. Ayan. And then, cleanser. Uy, mukha siyang maganda. Ayan. Oops, masyadong maliwanag pag puti. Wait lang. Try ko. Ayan. So, ayan. Essential oils. Yung kanilang skincare. And then, in-unbox ko siya para din alam nyo kung ano yung mga i-expect nyo na i-review ko from Doterra. Meron silang Deep Blue Rub. with proprietary deep blue essential oil blend. Ito naman is, pang massage siya. Affected areas, intensive treatment apply. Oh, prior to lotion. So, pag may mga, siguro mga masakit yung muscles nyo, ayan. Correct me if I'm wrong ha, if you're a doTERRA user or if familiar kayo sa mga products ng doTERRA and meron kailangang i-correct sa mga sinasabi ko, let me know down in the comments. Para mabasa din ng mga viewers natin. So, ayan. Tingnan natin. Ay, oo nga. Massage, ano siya, massage lotion. Uy! doTERRA On Guard Natural Whitening Toothpaste. I badly need this kasi alam niyo naman na mahilig ako magpa-teeth whitening at least once a year or twice a year. And kailangan ko talaga siya kasi mahilig ako magtsaa, magkape, anything na nakakadilaw ng ngipin. Sobrang hindi ko siya maiwasan. So, ayan. Tatry natin tong On Guard Natural Whitening Toothpaste ng doTERRA. And for sure, babalikan ko kayo. Lalo na guys kasi malapit na tanggalin yung braces ko. So, ayan, abangan nyo, makapag-update na ako ng mga dental posts. Lalo na yung, ang dami nagtatanong about my dental implant, about having my sapphire braces, and about getting retainers. So, ma-update ko na siya, hopefully, crossing fingers. Meron din sila dito, wow, doTERRA Introductory Kit. Ito, meron siyang lavender, lemon, and peppermint. Uy, sakto, ubos na yung lavender oil ko. Ako guys, pag natutulog, hindi ako masyadong, lalo na pagka parang may anxiety or whatever, sobrang laking tulong ng lavender oil para sa akin. Especially essential oil. Hindi yung mga lavender na scent lang na pampabango ng bahay. Essential oil talaga. Meron akong diffuser. I diffuse lavender, minsan with peppermint. And sobrang malaking help siya. Marami na akong friends na, tawag dito, na-advise na gawin nila yun. And sobrang proven effective siya. And ayun, naging fan din sila ng essential oils because of that. Kasi alam ko marami sa atin ngayon medyo may trouble with sleeping. So, ayan. Ito yung introductory kit nila. Ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Meron siyang, ayan, so, ganyan. Nakita niyo ba? Ito yung box niya. Ayan. And, ayan, may box siya na hardbound. Uy, wow, ang cute! Ayan, so, meron tayong tigpa 5 ml siya. Lavender, lemon, and peppermint. Ayan. Maganda siya if you want to try essential oils, pero hindi pa kayo sure kung ano yung mga pwede nyo magamit. This one, sobrang, ito yung para mga main or primary essential oils. Kasi lavender, known for its calming properties and ability to soothe skin. Even if meron kayong mga irritation, lavender, sobrang dami niyang uses. Lemon cleanses and purifies the air, uplifting aroma, and promotes positive mood. Ito, especially if gusto nyo parang isanitize yung kwarto nyo or yung area nyo, kasi nga may cleansing and antimicrobial properties siya. Peppermint naman promotes healthy respiration function and clear breathing. If meron kayong sipon, colds, flu, yung mga ganong klase, mag-diffuse kayo ng peppermint essential oil and sobrang malaking help siya. Like, proven ko na siya. Next is, uy, doTERRA na, ano to? Yan, oh. Ang cute. Ay, mahulog. Para mga minis, so, pwede mong i-transfer dito yung mga madalas mong gagamitin na essential oils, baka mahulog. So, parang 8 siya na mini essential oils. Ayan, so, may vial siya. Tapos, ang cute! Ayan, so, nasa mini siya na ganyan. Kapag ayaw mong dalhin yung isang buo, pwede, uy, perfecto. Magagamit ko to pang travel and pang everyday kasi lagi ako may dalang essential oil sa bag. Nice! This is so nice. One of my favorites ito. And then lastly, ayan, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko for sure, yung portable diffuser. Ayan, if you're following me on Instagram, you know that I have a new car and meron ako daw binili na diffuser. Then, pero hindi ko siya masyado nagagamit kasi siya, yung parang naka-cigarette na na yung power niya and mahaba yung cord ganyan. So, this one, portable diffuser. Pwede siya sa car, pwede siya sa ayan, vehicle, cup holders. Hassle-free. Ay, ito. For sure, magagamit ko to. May review ko din to soon. Gamitin ko sa sasakyan. Wow, nice! Tada! Ayan siya. Mini diffuser. So, pwede siya sa car. Kung gusto mo magta-travel ka and kailangan mo gusto mo na lagi ka may diffuser. Ganda. Powered by USB lang siya. Uy, pwede to sa power bank. So, ito, i-review ko din to really soon. Excited ako with this one. So, open lang natin. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to, pero yung nabili ko before sa, I think sa Mia Mason yun, for car talaga. Hinanap ko talaga yun na pwede pang car. Oops. Is, 1.8. Parang ganon. So, baka ibenta ko yun. Ayan. Tapos, yun mo lang siya dyan. Ayan, tapos, ayan, USB na siya. Ang cute! Para lang siyang, water bottle. Nice! Nice! Super nice. Ay, sobrang mabebetan ko to. Ganda. So, yun guys. Yun na yung lahat. Again, if you want na may request kayo, na gusto nyong unahin kong review, let me know down in the comments. And if you're already a Doterra user or wellness advocate, let me know also in the comments kung meron kayong mga masasuggest na product na itry ko from Doterra. And again, don't forget to follow Miss Jill sa kanyang Doterra page at Instagram. Saan siya? At growsuccess.today. And then sa website nila, growsuccess.today/learn more. Ilalagay ko lahat ng links sa description box. So you can just click that from there. And meron nga sila, again, free consultation. Meron silang free product samples. Of course, gusto natin yung mga free product samples na yan bago tayo bumili, diba? Meron din silang 25% off if you're going to purchase through their website. And then, they can guide you if you want to also earn and become an advocate sa Doterra. So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating unboxing video. And I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. You can always follow me at Gen-zel Delas, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Mabilis ako mag-reply doon. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye!